beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. Today I did this install. I did some like really different baby hair that y'all ain't never seen on my channel before. I ain't never did no shit like this. I attempted to lighten the lace but didn't really go that well, so you'll see that when I go to install it. And yeah, but anywho, let's go ahead and get in this hair. We can see what I did to get this install.
All I gotta say is, mwah! And you already know who it is.
So I'm here with no lashes and no gloves and no lips because I'm just gonna throw this wig. Y'all know, y'all probably be so tired of me complaining about getting pictures, but yes, I gotta go get this picture. Like, if I'm not gonna be seen nowhere, the least I can do is go get this picture. Right now I'm trying to hurry up, and I did my makeup in like 15 minutes. I'm really proud of myself. I just need to put on some lashes, and that's like a 2-second thing. Yeah, we can just hop into this wig. Today's wig is from CurlyMe Hair. It's a 22-inch 360 lace wig frontal. And I attempted to lighten the lace. We can talk about that a little more as I'm about to start installing. Let me throw her on real quick. I kind of got so much of that shit on my forehead. Yeah, still don't like... Yeah, no. Like, I tried. I really did. And I don't think y'all know how much I tried. I tried on... Yeah. So I attempted to lighten this lace, and maybe I just didn't do it right or whatever, but... Okay, I sprayed a shit ton of even tinted lace spray because I really wanted this to work out, and it didn't. So I'm going to try it again. It might not be done in this video, but at some point, because I just really want to throw this on and just call it a day. At some point, I'm going to for sure figure out how to lighten some lace. I would recommend that if you do what I did, which is buy the Rick color remover, and I let it soak in the water for about 15 minutes, and I played around with it, made sure it was soaked and saturated, and when I went to blow dry it appeared that it had lifted the lace. But next time I think I'm going to make a paste out of it instead, spread it on the lace and use my blow dryer to heat it up, because it does have to be hot water, by the way. So I'm going to try this again. I guess it just didn't work out this time, or maybe this lace is just so like dark that it's just not possible, which is also a thing that could happen. Yeah, I guess this is situated how I want it. I'm gonna start installing this wig. I'm gonna use my Gotta Be spray, and we're just gonna blow dry and make sure this process goes by really fast. I was gonna just move on and not tell y'all because that's how focused I am, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut this ear tab off. Well, I'll cut that side too short. Love that for me. Cut that. Yeah, I still be making mistakes. If you think I don't be making mistakes still, girl, this is mistake central. Now that my lace is all dry, I'm gonna start razoring off things and just doing some cutting around the edges and shit like that. I want to say thanks, because y'all are loving the WAP recreation. It's nice to get my flowers every now and again. Cause yeah, I don't be giving myself my flowers, so it's nice when other people can give them to me. So I appreciate it, I really do. Now, this ain't the place to bash other people. Now, I appreciate that y'all rock with me so hard that y'all think I'm the best, but listen, thank you, but I'm not gonna bash nobody. But yeah, so but don't be bashing people under my stuff, and don't be talking to me any kind of way. One girl commented, "You know you got that trick from Arnell Lermont and da 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 da." But who are you talking to? Don't talk to me like that. Did you get this trick from Arnell Lermont? Yeah, maybe I could have, but you know how many people have done Vaseline on lace? And like, you don't use Vaseline when you dye your own hair on your skin. Don't talk to me like that. First of all, who are you talking to? The support has been overwhelming. Yeah, I really don't like y'all being like, yeah, this is the best one. Everybody else who did it, they shit sucked, but you did it. I don't know what that's supposed to make me feel like. I really don't. It don't make me feel good. I'm about to start resealing this lace though. It don't look terrible, but it just also don't look that good. But that's okay. I'm gonna learn how to lighten your lace. I'm not gonna put it in the title for this video. It's not gonna have nothing to do with this because one day I'm gonna really figure it out. And today just wasn't that day, and that's fine. We take L sometimes. But anyway, I'm gonna really start doing this next step. The lace don't look that bad now that I've cut it off, but I just know that I didn't lighten it as much as I wanted to. But it really don't look that bad now that I'm doing this. We'll keep going and see how it goes.
I'm well endowed myself, but I'm not opposed to my wife getting a dick my size or bigger. I actually fiend for it. We just...
Huh. Well, I'm watching this podcast called Horrible Decisions, and I don't have a sex life, so it's really nice to live vicariously through other people who do, so that's what this is. Yeah, the City Girls one that just, like, came out. If you want to watch that, you should watch that. JT is funny. Anyway, so this is the hair, like, right now, and this is probably what it's going to look like in general because I'm doing a pushback look, but I'm gonna do my baby hair on camera. Wow, ain't that crazy? Yeah, I promise you guys I'm gonna do an updated makeup routine because I feel like I do stuff kind of the same but kind of different. I don't feel my eyebrows no more. I think I'm kind of over that. I've been tinting them. This is a conversation for another day, but I will be doing that. I have like so many videos planned up, but so much of my upload schedule. I upload on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and sometimes Saturdays. And there's just so many ideas and things I need to do. And there's so many like the Black owned business haul is coming soon. I got a Shein haul coming soon. I haven't tell you all I got. Never mind. I'm gonna shut the fuck up now. But just know I got shit happening. Yeah, I'm moving in silence. I'm gonna do this baby hair. Y'all know what I like to use. I use wet line and I do the tail of it first before putting it back in, and then add in the front of the baby hair. I want to do some different baby hair in the middle, so I'm gonna try to be, I'm gonna leave a little space for that. How's your life going? Like, what's going on? How's everybody doing? And I hope y'all wearing those masks and shit. I want to say, I always say follow me on Instagram, but like for real, follow me on Instagram because I'll be dropping heat. And like, don't you want to see me looking good? Like, y'all see me look good on here, but imagine me in like photo form. I'm just like, that's the face I be making, I guess. Yeah, just imagine me like that. Y'all ain't never seen nothing like that. I'm gonna use this Kiss Edge Fixer edge control. I like it. I don't think it leaves a cast or nothing as of yet, but I've used quite a lot of it in like a section at a time, and like it's been cool. So I'm here for it. And it has Sweetie's name on it. Y'all say her name Sweetie or Sweetie? Because I don't be knowing which is which. But I'm here for her. We stand Sweetie here. Pretty bitch music. Tap in. And I don't want to hear no slander either. Y'all be like, well, she can't rap. Well, she is now. Now what? What happens now? This is not her job. This is not her career. She's not making how much money off of it. She can rap. Clearly. And I don't hear nobody talk about that either. Well, that don't mean she can rap good. Well, it means she got her job out of it. That's what that means. It means her bills are paid off of her rapping. So how can she not rap? Anyway, I don't like people knocking other people's hustle at all. I feel like it's unnecessary. If they're making money, it don't got shit to do with you. Even if they're not making money, well, mind your business. What career you got? What job you doing? How you get a chain around your neck? Let's figure it out. Like, you're worried about the wrong things, baby. I know I be talking this much during this baby hair portion, but I guess I'm running a little good on time. Like, I'm finna make it, I think. So, we can chat. My birthday's coming up soon. I'm trying not to be a sad bitch about it. Yeah, that's all I got for you. I'm trying not to be a sad bitch about it. Because there's not much I can do to it. I really thought, like, when this shit first happened, I was like, wow, I can't wait to have my birthday. Because, like, I just know it's going to be over by then. And it fucking wasn't. It fucking wasn't. The real issue is that niggas can't stay their ass inside. If niggas could have stayed inside and not, they just had to go to the club. I gotta go to this club. I have to go out. What the fuck am I supposed to do if I don't go out? Like, I gotta do it. That's why niggas thought they was going to stop breathing if they didn't go out to the club. That's a whole different thing. But yeah, this shit gives me anxiety watching y'all niggas go out and shit. I don't even like being around my friends no more. Like, cause I mean, I like being around my friends, don't get me wrong. But like, it gives me anxiety, like just being around people that I'm not usually around, or not usually around, but just like not my mom, cause I live with my mom. So like, everybody besides her, I just get like really anxious around because I don't know what y'all niggas be doing in y'all's free time. I don't know who y'all niggas be around. It's fucking scary, and I don't play by my health. I think I'm gonna do like a little swirl in the front right here. No, I just want to do my baby hair regular so bad. I want to be a regular ass bitch. Like, honestly, I think that's like okay with me. I want to tint it and then I got all this gel on my forehead for no reason. I want to be different so bad. Like, you know, girls just be like, I'm going to give myself a giant ass swirl on my forehead. I wish I could be like y'all. Y'all inspire me, honestly, no bullshit. I really do wish I could be like y'all. So here's me trying to be like y'all. Y'all weren't ready for me to do a little curl on my forehead. That's what y'all wasn't ready for me to do. I'm gonna do one like over here then. Okay, I guess this is a whole thing now. Bitches is doing different baby hair. Y'all ain't never seen me do this before. Y'all really haven't. I feel like I've done it once and I did it on my camera. Like, I took a picture of it for myself to say that I did that. But yeah, will y'all ever see me like this again? Probably not. I already knew that I wasn't going to be cute when I did it. I knew it wasn't. Now here I am with this shitty curly Q on my forehead for no reason. I look like I'm trying to be different. I said I'm different. I do different things. You see my baby hair? That's the kind of girl I am. I'm just so different. Just so different. Just so different. Like, bitches wish they were this different. Bitches could never be this different. Because I have curly Q's on my fucking forehead. That's what I got. Do I feel fulfilled after doing this? No. I'm going to keep doing my baby hair the way I do it. So I hope my people that wanted me to do some different shit, if y'all seeing this, I hope y'all fuck with it. Because it ain't never happening again. Okay, so I'm gonna throw my lashes and this headband and the rest of my lips and come back. So here's the final look. I'm gonna show y'all my top real quick because somebody made it and I just want y'all to see it. I posted my picture on Instagram just now. It's kind of late on a Monday, so I don't know if they really feeling me right now, but it's posted, whatever. It is what it is. I think even though the lace is still just a tad dark, it doesn't look bad. Like, I still feel like it's wearable. I will definitely try to do it again and just like use it as a paste instead. So there'll be a video for that for sure. But I attempted it this time and I'm gonna try it again another day. But as of right now, like, this looks really good. I like can't even find, well, I mean, she's there. You know, she's there if you look for her, but stop looking for her though. Like, chill, mind your business. You know, let me put down this mirror so you guys can really see me. So yeah, here's the scrunchie I got that she made me as well. And then I got this bracelet from Rossi P Jewelry, and I'll link it below. Black owned. Yeah, my friend made this, so I'm walking black owned everything. Except my jeans are not black owned. But I feel really cute. Like, I just feel really cute and put my mirror back because I like seeing myself. Yes, I feel like I really started to look. This hair is super nice. I have like nothing in it. And I really wanted it to be really big because I like big curly hair on me. And I wish it would have been this big in my pictures. I feel like it was still a little wet, so it didn't get this big. But I love big hair. I'm sure this could be very well controlled if I had some product on it. But this is just the natural shine of the hair. Look at that. This untouched part that I ain't even messing around with. Yeah. Even the other wig I had that I said I wish you guys would have seen its texture before I put it on. The water wave wig that I did for the knotless braids. I love that hair too. Like, the knots bleach so easy. My frontal looks amazing. even though the lace is dark. But I feel like it's worth like ignoring for real. Like, do you see what I look like right now? And the baby hair kind of did grow on me. I probably will not for real do this again though. Like, if anything, I'll probably be little ones like this. I feel like this makes a lot more sense than this one. But I'm here for it regardless. So this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, beautiful. Well, I want you guys to my scrunchies. Bye, beautiful.